Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily create a website for a real estate agent using Mighty Sites. It's only $9 a month. It is the simplest, easiest platform to build a simple, professional looking website. I'm going to show you, first thing you do, just look for real estate. So here's the real estate agency website template. So I'm just going to click on that. And then if you're building it for like a small agency, or if you're building a simple website for yourself as an agent, you can do either one. And I'll just kind of show you how you navigate that. But just start with, I could put in my name, or I could put in the name of my business, but I'll just put Keegan Real Estate for now. And then, put in where I'm located. So I'm in Denver, Colorado. Type of business, you could either do service or other. Usually I would consider this kind of a service business, helping people with that. So then I click continue, and here's the really great part of this. So automatically it's going to generate a simple professional website template for me to use as a real estate agent. Now, what makes this so easy is that it's not a website builder. It's not a complicated web project. You can go look at WordPress or Wix or things like that if you really want a website builder. If you want to be done in a few minutes and have a simple professional website, this is it. So here's all you do next. First, to change colors is you just click through all the different color palettes, and you just see the one that you feel like works for you, makes sense for your market and the look you're going for. There are all types of different templates here. And again, you could be building this for an agent's office, right? With just a simple website with some details. It's really your online business card. That's what you're after here. But you just select the color palette that you like. And again, if this is your online business card for you, great. If it's for your agency, great too. You just put in that information. Then you click on update section. And of course, you're going to want people to be able to email you. So I'll just start by putting in my email address, show that on the site. Phone number, you can put your cell phone or your office line, whatever makes sense. Put in a phone number. Social media links. So again, you might have a Facebook page. You can just copy and paste in the link to your Facebook page. If you have a Twitter account, or maybe Instagram's more common, you can just type in your Instagram account and then put it in there. Save your social links. You've got them. Close. If you have a logo for your business, you can upload that there too, or maybe you just use your name, whatever it is that makes sense. I'll show you. So you just browse your computer, and then I'll just grab a Mighty Sites logo to use. So let me just search for a logo. And adding a logo or an image is really great in this system because it gives you simple editing tools. So upload the logo, and as soon as that's there, just click save. Now my logo's here. I can click on, again, this is a really easy website builder. I can click on make it bigger, make it smaller, and click on this pencil and open all these image editing tools. So if I want to crop it, just scroll down like this, and just crop the site like that, or crop the logo like that using the built-in picture editing tools in Mighty Sites. Then just save it. Okay, it's a little bigger. I like that now. If I want to add a menu item, just put nav, and maybe you want to link somewhere. You can link somewhere else. You can link to somewhere on your website. You can have an action item like call. You can upload a PDF. So I'll leave it as linking to my about section and confirm. I click add it, save, and now it's there on my website. So again, any of this I can change too. So I could say experienced real estate agents, home buyers, sellers, investors. I could write more copy here, like trusted advisors, whatever it is. Know the local market. I could type that all out to the way I see fit. I could do schedule an appointment, or I could do consultation, and then I can choose where that links. So that can, maybe I'll just want people to call me if they want a consultation, or maybe I'll just link it to the lead form section on my website. So I'll do that and save it, close. So things are looking good already. And again, I can play around with the color themes here too. For contact us, I can go here to choose a link, and let's just say I want the contact button to be a phone call or an email. I can just select one of those, and now when they click on it, a lot of people will be on mobile. It'll automatically call me as a real estate agent, or call the real estate agent office, right? So coming along nicely. If I want to go in here and edit any of the text, I just simply go in and I just type in what I want. This is how you make a website for a real estate agent, right? This is how you make a website for a real estate agent. I just type it in, save it. I can, push this down another line. I can make it bold if I want to. I can italicize it. I could add it, link it somewhere else too, just by typing it in, whatever it is I want to do. Save in the link, or I can just clear all that too, just kind of clear all the formatting for the text and save. Here's the really cool part. This whole system is built with an image library. So I can either browse and upload my own pictures for any that I want to change, or I could search the photo library and I could just pick from any of these pictures, right? So I just search real estate agent. Maybe that's not the picture I want to go there. Maybe I prefer a picture of a house like this. So I just switch that out and then save the image. And all of these images are there and pre-licensed for me to use. So I can just search this built-in library and just switch any of these pictures or photos that I want. So if let's just say this doesn't look like your market, so you want to update this image, you can just browse. Maybe this looks, more like the type of home you might sell, right? So I'll just switch that out, save the image, and now there's a brand new picture there too. And again, I can upload my own image or use the ones that come built into the site. So within a couple minutes, I've really built a nice, simple, professional website for my business without having to do any coding and any website builder activities. I just simply, moved things around and got it to where I liked it. So what people will often do is if they're interested in hiring you as their real estate agent, they will come in here and they will type in their information, they put in their phone number, and then a message. I would like to talk to you about being my real estate agent, right? So they just type all that out and click send. And now the message has gone through. Now that's the whole point of having this online dashboard, is you're going to be interested in getting leads for your business. So as soon as that goes through, if I click on stop editing and go to my site dashboard, now I can see new lead. So you'll get an email letting you know a new person is interested in working with you. Then you'll get all of their information right through the site. Once your site's ready to go, you can connect a custom domain if you want. Domains need to be pointed back to the site, so you just paste in your domain name and then you go into Google Domains or GoDaddy, and we have a little simple set of instructions for what to do to update it to point to your new website. Once that's done, it points to your new website and you're ready to go. You can launch the site and start marketing your real estate agency or your real estate business or yourself as a real estate agent with, again, it's only $9 a month. Click the link below. You can just try it out for yourself for free, see if it makes sense for you. But it's only $9 a month. There's a 7-day free trial, and it's really easy to create just a simple professional online business card for a real estate agent. Nice way to market yourself, your services, or for your real estate agency. Just have a simple professional website that helps people find you and get in touch with your business. So just like that, I'm done. I can launch the site, $9 a month. You can't beat it. A ton of value to create a simple professional website for a real estate agent.